Hi guys, welcome to my channel The SPK Coding. In this video we are going to discuss about the installation of JDK 24 on our laptop. We will go to the step-by-step process. Firstly, we go to the website from where we can download the JDK 24. Okay, so this is the website where we can download the needed JDK files, okay, which we need to install on our laptop. So this is the website. Under it there is a Java downloads location, and under that there are three types of operating system we have, that is the Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Based upon that we can download the file and we can install the required files to our laptop. Okay, so I am downloading the Windows, okay, this file, and I am installing that file into my laptop. So this file size is 205 MB. Okay, so I have already downloaded this file. This is the location of this file. Okay, so just we need to double click on this file. After double click, the installation process gets started. So just we need to click next. Installation started. Okay, now the installation is successfully done. You can see the required pop-up message. So just we need to close this pop. Now you can go to the C drive under the users, admin, program files in the Java. Here you can see the JDK path location. Okay, this is the installation location. So now we need to set a path of JDK. So for that, just we need to right click on this PC, and from here properties, then here you can search the system, no, environment variables. Here environment variables, inside it under the path, here you can add your Java path. Okay, then okay. Now you can check the install is done correctly or not. So for that you need to click Java version command. Now you can see the JDK installation is done successfully. So thanks for watching this video.